It is always working, always. This is an absolute. It is working even if you don't notice it. You trust the cleaning. You trust what you are doing. You are cleaning, and you are trusting what you are doing. You are trusting yourself. For example, when I was working on my family system, I was cleaning on my family system. Nothing changed on my place, but my family, the problems of my family got less, and my family got relieved. Yeah, this is what I was saying. We don't know what we are cleaning. Because we are connected with everything, with the whole world, the whole universe. And when we do our cleaning, we are liberating the whole world, the whole universe. And even if we don't know, and even if we don't see it, but knowing that our cleaning has an impact on everything, this is very beautiful.